Going deep into the heart of Algeria, one might just discover a beautiful region called Kabylia. The language spoken there is Berber, one of the native tongues of North Africa. Now, this area is well known for its prehistoric pottery. Let's find out more about this fascinating place and its art.
Berber pottery traces its roots back into prehistoric times. It is named Ideki in Berber language, meaning pottery. Berber pottery practiced by women in Kabylia villages is decorated by geometric, zoomorphic and anthropomorphic symbols similar to tattoos and jewelry worn by the women. The pottery carries symbols expressing love, fertility and affection provided by a woman.
In our region, pottery existed since prehistory. It was founded by the Berber women. It is transmitted from generation to generation and represents a testimony of Berber and amazing history.
The rural exodus and the development of a global economy stifles local crafts and endangers the future manufacturing of man-made jars, vases, oil lamps and traditional wedding items. The utilitarian pottery manufacturing process follows the coiling method. It is obtained from clay, raw material that is found in abundance near the villages. Here, the workshops are equipped with machines. In this unit, more than 20 tons of clay are produced per day. The clay is put in bags and then these young people give it the shape of the desired object. The clay items are ready to be put in the oven. The clay is baked at 800 degrees and 5 hours will be needed here. The objects will then be ready for decorating the following day. Decoration is done by hand and using a rudimentary brush dipped in natural colors. Finally, Ideki pottery is sometimes covered with a resin plant to be shiny and bright.
These are drawings which tell the daily life of a Berber and his relationship with nature. They talk about life in the mountains. These drawings induce men and women to work hard and not lose courage and hope.
The colors chosen reveal the region of the pottery. The black and red refer to large Kabylia, while white colors symbolize small Kabylia. However, with the development of local trade and domestic tourism increasingly growing, these differences and specificities tend to blur a little. Through this form of pottery, the woman tells her story.
When the woman decorates the object without leaving a gap between the symbols, that means she is sad. Her life is a curse. She sends this object to her mother as a letter to tell her that a new house is not suitable. If it's not drawn completely, it means that she lives in harmony.
Berber pottery, the decoration in particular, remains a history book where several chapters have disappeared and others are incomprehensible to many people. It is a chosen means to make known the life of the past and present to future generations.